Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review BlitzWolf BW-BS14 Bluetooth 3-axis gimbal. So let's get into it. BlitzWolf BW-BS14 is a Bluetooth 3-axis gimbal stabilizer with 3 adjustable modes for mobile phones. 3 adjustable modes are AF following mode, HF pan following mode, LF locking mode. It has high-end features like auto face and object tracking, accurate track the movement of the people and objects. You can zoom control, adjust the camera zoom to capture close images after you download the app. Gimbal has 4000 mAh battery capacity, power supply, and the 4000 high capacity battery gives you up to 12 working hours. It offers the ability to enjoy self-timer mode and live streaming easily. It has a tripod connection for additional height and stability. To use gimbal and features, you have to download the Gimbal Pro from the Apple Store or Android. Connection via the app is quick and easy. If you're looking for high-end gimbal for your phone on a budget price, look no further. This offers everything you need to vlog, shoot your outdoor adventure activities. Just know that this is not waterproof, so avoid using it in rains or snow conditions. Otherwise, it's perfect for YouTubing, Instagramming, or video blogging, or even for your personal family functions. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video, and please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.